Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for SUI price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart here, we are looking at a 1, 2, 3 and probably 4 and a 5 toward the upside to be seen, of course, if in case we did not invalidate this impulse by touching the 2.25, reaching the zone 1, of course, interfering with this zone, meaning, of course, invalidation of an impulse. In this case scenario, if we see an invalidation, we have to consider A, B, C, blue count, of course, toward the upside, and probably looking for 3 waves down and then continuation for wave C toward the upside. In case this, of course, as it looks like an impulse toward the downside, this might be your wave A, B, and a C as we are looking here for this red scenario. And probably, of course, it might, of course, be our bearish market here for a 3 corrective waves, and then of course continuation for higher prices sooner or later, and this could be your blue count unfolding towards higher prices. Now if we are looking for double 1-2, which is another scenario where we have 1-2, probably another 1-2, also with this wave 2, you would like to see a correction toward the downside, A, B, C zigzag, finishing a wave 2 in your orange scenario, and moving for higher prices, massive, of course, wave 3 for higher prices than expected, even with a 4-5 in the top side. Now if we take a look, of course, closer into this one, let's make a close up. Here we have, of course, kind of like very choppy but very also impulsive it can be. We can say that we have here a 1 and then ABC for your wave 2. After this you got a wave 1 here as well, where your wave 1 is exactly finished somewhere here, and A, B, and a C for a wave 2 internally again. For, of course, this A, B, and a C, and then moving towards the upside for a wave 3, of course, impulsive, and then A, B, and a C for a wave 4 here. Now your wave 4, as you can see here, did not reach your zone 1. There is a gap still, of course, in between the invalidation point of this scenario where your wave 1 has finished exactly here. You have a very tiny gap in between, so yeah, we can say that this is still, of course, valid. We did not reach also this wave 1 yet, so we can say those double 1-2 still can be valid toward the downside. Now, as you can see, as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, a very extended wave 5, which it has finished your wave 3 so far, right? And you still have 1, 2, big 1, 2 here to solve, of course, as a 4, 5 in the, of course, lower prices. Now we saw, of course, a very, very high wave 4, did not invalidate it, but of course, very, very high, and probably moving down again impulsively for a wave 5. So let's take a look inside this one. Here we have, of course, it looks like a leading diagonal probably, but yeah, this wave 4 went a little bit deeper and looks, of course, bigger than your wave 2. But however, if we have, of course, this wave 3, the shortest, I would say also invalidation. Let me check if this is our wave 3. Yes, wave 5 is longer than wave 3. And definitely your wave 1 is longer than also your wave 3. So yeah, that's not an impulse. I would say this is not an impulse because you have 1, 2, and then 3, 4. Look, anyway, yeah, your wave 4 anyway as well interfered with your wave 1, and also your wave 3 is the shortest between your wave 5 and your wave 1. So we can say that, yeah, this is looking corrective, guys. 1, 2, 3. Now this one, if we move, let's move 1 hour chart since we are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, but yeah, definitely also corrective because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 anyway. The wave 4 has interfered with this wick. I don't know if we have to consider it, but I mean at the end, yeah, it's a price action. Yeah, so wave 4 probably interfered here as well, which is not turning nice. Probably three corrective wave, meaning of course a bigger wave 2, a bigger wave 4, and based on the wave 2 here, because this is our wave 2, by the way. Yeah, it's very normal, by the way. to get a longer wave 4. Here we go. This is your wave 2. This is your wave 3. If you are looking for a wave 4 over wave 2, okay, we did not even reach the 1-to-1 FIB time yet. Yeah, so definitely a wave 4 is expanding, right? So we are looking probably for higher prices, very probably, unless we have double 1-2s here. This is the only scenario, guys. Or triple 1-2s. But a very rare scenario because as 1-2 and then 1-2 3 4 5 also impulsive 1-2 3 4 and a 5. Yeah, we have to be careful from it. 1-2 3 4 and a 5. Oh my god, all of them are impulsive. 1-2 1-2 1-2. Yeah, but it's too much 1-2s. When it comes also so many 1-2s, we cannot really take it as well into consideration, knowing that they are all impulsive. Yeah, all these waves here are representing like kind of 1-2s. So be careful from it. Lower possibility just because of the numbers of it. Yeah, it's too much, and because of course we did not reach the perfect time yet for the wave 4. We have topped here for the wave 4 before the 1-to-1 fib level taken from the wave 2 here. So be careful from it. Of course, we might still have a little bit higher, or it can be something else. Yeah, it can be even triangle for a wave 4, which we know always it is a characteristic of a wave 4, especially after massive move to the downside. The price action might, of course, start to consolidate and then moving for a wave 5 towards the downside. So basically, these are the insight. I would say if we are bullish, maximum that it can reach this one as probably 1-to-1 fib level. I would say, let's check here, okay, which is a $4.5. But in case we get this, be careful, it get invalidation. Right, the 1-to-1 fib level is at the invalidation point, which turning, of course, then we have to consider this kind of a corrective, 3 waves down, 3 waves up, but still, of course, moving towards the downside after it. Wow, okay. Yeah, so we're gonna see this because this is not impulsive as we saw, of course, so meaning this is gonna turn into 3 wave, and yeah, it's gonna be bigger anyway, 3 waves towards the downside. So yeah, this is for SUI. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.